Hi everyone, and welcome back to Jewelry Making Fun, hosted by Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More, aka Deb Hoax Crafted Cottage here on YouTube. For the month of June, we were given card number 459 from Sarah Renee Clark's color palette. I think it's the first one she did, because Word on the Street she has another one out, but I'm not sure if it's one, two, three, or four. But number 459, the color is cream, sand, camel, coffee, and dark brown. And for challenge number two, well, the number one is the colors, no challenge. You need to use two of those colors, right? And then for challenge number one, it says pearls for cream, sand, mother, pearl, shell, light wood, camel is a picture jasper, tiger eye, and then coffee is coffee stone, jasper, brown, goldstone, medium brown wood, bronze color pearls, dark brown, bronze, brown a snowflake, obsidian, dark wood, or bone. And then the second challenge was anyone ready for the beach? Yes, well, make your pieces beach themed. Or if you aren't a beach person but you rather like the creature on card, do a piece of animal print. Now, I want to show y'all the way my brain works, okay? First of all, I was like, "Oh, I have browns." Cuz that's really what they are besides the cream. Most of them are like browns, or I was like, I definitely have a lot of beach color stuff, right? Well, I went through and I don't have a lot of the colors that I thought I had. Okay. I pulled this out at first and I was like, oh, I could use this color right here because I had already had in my mind that I was going to do some earrings. So I was like, I'll just use this. I have two of these from Hobby Lobby. And I was like, I can just make a pair of earrings, but the color is two, always two colors. And I like to grab two colors from it, two of the colors that I like to do. And then so I was like, I can just use this color. It's green, if you are wondering. It's a green wood bracelet, a necklace. And I was like, I don't think that matches any of them. And then I pulled this off because this is definitely coffee color. In my opinion, it's more amber than anything. And I think I've used this in the past. Yep, it says a glass strand amber. But amber is coffee colored. If depends on what you put in the coffee, how strong you make it. Maybe a little bit more tea. And I was like, you know what? On the card, it has a tiger, a lion. It's a lion. I was like, let's go to the safari. We could definitely go to the safari. And then as I started looking at the colors, I was like, you know what? We could break this piece up and use it for something later on because these colors definitely were speaking to me. And I feel like this is coffee color too, for people that like to mix their coffee with creamer and stuff. But anyway, I had this bracelet that I had purchased in the mindset of breaking it apart. So I couldn't use this one unless we're doing coffee beans, right? Some cocoa beans or something like that. But this color fits the bill. Dark wood fits the bill. Definitely fits the bill. And then these little pieces match this. And I was like, oh, well, I want to make. So I already want to make earrings, but I was like, I can just take these and make bracelet pieces with it because I had picked up this from this wood mix. You can see these are cream colored from Walmart, but then I only had four of these, so I couldn't make the bracelet. But I just made two pair of earrings so you can see the cream and the dark brown. And this has a little bit of texture on it. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up properly. And then these. And I wanted to make sure, like, I made a video making this, and I was like, I want to make sure that when I'm making jewelry, I'm making it that I would be proud to wear. And I would love to wear this, like, at the beach or something, just on a casual sun dress day. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it. Click on the description box and see what everyone else in the collaboration has created for the month of June. We post on the 18th of every month. Until next time, happy crafting.